The Nicaragua border was closed to pets, and our vehicle's temporary import permit was about to expire. So we went to the aduana to see if an extension was possible due to our circumstances.
So we just came back and it was a big no. They said no.
In order for us to stay in Costa Rica 3 more months, we needed to do a border run to refresh our tourist visa.
A few moments later.
First thing in the morning, we get a message from our vet in Costa Rica telling us that the border is back open for pets to cross from Costa Rica to Nicaragua. We still want to do some camping in Costa Rica, so we need to store our vehicle. So we've decided that we're going to stay, just change up our plans. We're going to stay for 3 months, and then we'll do some more camping, and then we'll head back. We decided to rent in the city of San Jose. We went on Airbnb to look for long-term rentals in the San Jose area. We were looking for a place that was centrally located, close to restaurants, grocery stores, parks, and of course, dog-friendly. We found several great rental options in the SECRT SABANA condominiums and decided that this was the building and location for us. There's 2 parks within walking distance, plenty of restaurants, and grocery stores that we can walk to.
So we're here in San Jose at SECRT SABANA Apartments.
But shh, it's a secret. Okay, so we're outside of our new apartment in San Jose. Let's go take a look. So welcome to our new place. Nice little kitchen. Tiggy says he's settling in his blankie and his ladybug. This is the view from our living room window. See the city and the mountains and the pool down below. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. And let me take you out on our balcony. This place is small and cute and perfect for us and the pups. The building has a really great gym with everything that you need for great training sessions. The best part is gym access is free to all residents and renters, so we'll definitely be hitting the gym. There's a heated outdoor pool and lounge area. Something I really wanted was laundry facilities on site, and they have state-of-the-art. Take the elevator to the 8th floor and you'll find a large outdoor dog park called the Dubai Forest. Tigger and Penelope are loving it. If you love outdoor green spaces, Sabana Park, the biggest park in San Jose, is just down the street. The SECRT building is very unique. If you haven't already guessed it, it has an Alice in Wonderland theme. The building boasts a lobby bar, there's a cinema room, kids playground, and even a Buzz Lightyear wall. Go all the way to the 31st floor and explore the numerous themed rooms and check out the killer views. P.S. Don't forget your camera. There are plenty of Instagram-worthy shots. Whether you're just exploring, looking for a quiet space to do some work, or enjoy a coffee, there's something for everyone. There's still one more floor. Climb the steps to the rooftop terrace. This space is free to enjoy and can even be reserved for parties. There is a really great rooftop terrace at this apartment. The Views are spectacular during the day, but the night, it's next level. This is one of the highest buildings in San Jose.
So we're in San Jose. We just got to our apartment this afternoon.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be another adventurous day as we trek across the city and store our vehicle. We'll see how it goes. We're expecting it'll probably take us a few hours from what we've read online.
Yeah, so we're using Coco.
Like a custom storage warehouse. But I think it's been a pretty long day for us and the pups. We're probably just going to relax a little bit this evening and head to bed early.
Sounds good.
So we're with our car. We're just in the outside parking, about to go in and talk to the people about storing our home for the next 3 months. Kind of a sad day.
I'm not going to cry about it, but yeah, I wish we would have done 3 more months of camping, but we'll do that after we store the vehicle for 3 more months.
Tiggy, he's definitely a little sad that he's losing his car.
I
got a little sad.
So he loves the apartment, so I think that's a good distraction. That he is in an apartment, he can watch traffic from the balcony. It's a good distraction.
Watches all the cars.
Watches all the cars.
Okay, well let's go and see what happens.
Yeah. So we just stored our vehicle at the storage facility. Everything was all in one. Basically, Joanna was here, so we dropped it off, suspended a tip all in one spot, which is awesome. It took us probably 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And it seems like it's pretty secure. It's like a shipping yard. So we'll see in 3 months how our vehicle is.
Yeah, the whole process was super easy. Easier than we'd read online and on iOverlander. Lots of people said you had to come here, park it, and then go to an aduana to suspend your tip, but they now have a customs agent right here. So I guess now we're gonna catch an Uber or a DD?
A DD, yeah.
To get back to our apartment. Hasta luego!
So this is our first trip in a DD. So this is it's like 6,000 or 6 mil to go and get from the airport to our apartment.
And it took us about 45 minutes to get there, to give you an idea. We're home, at least for the next 3 months. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing adventures in San Jose and some of our favorite places to camp in Costa Rica.